What is going on YouTube? Hayden back with another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP. We're going to be looking at Solana. We're going to be looking at Ethereum. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin. I know it is probably 10:30 by the time you're seeing this video, but I'm currently recording at 7 a.m., which is probably the earliest time I've been recording, but PST is 3 hours later, I think, or earlier, so it's really 7. Very interesting, still getting acclimated to this time change, but it's only for another couple days and then I will be back in the normal studio with my normal schedule. Anywho, thank you for sticking along with the ride. Thank you for your comments yesterday, allowing me to work from somewhere else. I'm glad and I'm fortunate that I can. But we have a lot of things to talk about today. I know we're still, just going over the things that we covered in yesterday. I want to reassure those. I want to drill them into you. I want you guys to understand where we are and what we're dealing with here, all right? So we're looking at some cryptos. We just had a major dump. I mean, cryptos dumped. They fell off a cliff. We had things like Solana just tank to the downside. XRP tanked. This is the 4 hour, so keep in mind these candles only represent 4 hours. Tanked to the downside. We rallied up. Ethereum tanked. Every crypto, Bitcoin tanked right to the downside. Stock market we're going to look at. It just broke outside, but we're going to figure out what exactly is happening right here. Hopefully, we'll continue to soar up. But we'll see what exactly happens. Anywho, that's what we're going to be covering and going over in today's episode. With that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into it. Now, guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, I want to just let you guys know BitFi is offering double rewards. What that means is you can sign up to receive a $50 sign-up bonus, as well as a 31-day VIP rate. So $50 free bonus crypto you get deposited by literally signing up at the link down in the description below. And then the 31-day VIP rate is basically a way to get extremely low trading fees and a lot of other perks, which we'll go over a little bit later on in today's video, as well as a way to earn over 2K in free bonus money later on in today's video. But diving into the technical analysis, what we need to look at today, I'm going to start with the current coin market cap. You can see markets are consolidating. We kind of bounced back. We haven't really been doing much, even though it's only Tuesday. You can see markets are up 1.74. We're at 52 on the fear and greed index, just kind of neutral. We're literally right in the middle. Trading sideways here, Bitcoin trading sideways 6%, Ethereum 7%, BNB 7.8. A lot of these cryptos haven't done anything. We're still 1, 2, 3%. And you can see we're just kind of flatlined out. And that is all right. That is okay. And we're pretty much just kind of regaining our footing after this major dump. And we're trying to find our ground. Now, you can see with XRP, we did find some sort of new pattern here. I'm going to jump to the daily really quick. Actually, we'll go to the weekly. As you guys know, starting off really big on a macro scale, we're inside some sort of descending fractal, continuously moving lower and lower and lower and lower. This has been a notorious thing for us. We've been in this for over a year now. Downtrend here. My lines are not perfect, but you can see here. You can see where these resistances are on top. You can see where the supports are on the bottom, where we've seen wicks here. So it was very obvious that we were going to see a correction when we hit here on, not only was it a downtrend and a price ceiling and moving average, it was notorious to correct to the downside here. That's what we're expecting to see. That is what's happening right now. Not a problem, not a surprise in any way, sense, shape, or form. We are consolidating right now. When we jump to the daily, you can see us, we clearly rejected off price ceiling, but we had this rebound action. So not only did we know from the beautiful ascending triangle to short this, then when we hit lower points here, we knew we could buy in and long it. And then we took profits. We've been waiting for some sort of newer formation here. And then we caught wind that there was a descending fractal here with a beautiful flag pull up, this beautiful stair-stepping lower high, lower low pattern. Holding on to this moving average right here, what we're trying to wait for is a breach above this resistance. It's been a couple of hours now. It started back in the 8th. It's now the 13th. So quite a long time, actually, about 5 days where we've been inside this descending fractal. What we're looking for is a 4-hour closure. It's aggressive, but we're waiting for a 4-hour closure on XRP outside and above this downtrend. If we can break and close above here, closer to like right over here, I mean, it'd be great if we get above green band. We closed a 4-hour above here, which is more than likely going to happen. We're going to see a pop like this. It's typical. This is a bull flag formation. Bull flags, textbook-wise, always break to the upside. That is the pattern that we're looking for. So keep your eyes peeled. that this is going to pop out of here. If not, we'll dump to the downside. That is all right as well. We don't break through resistance. There will be a dump. You can trade inside this. It's an intra trade. I'm not really interested in that. It's kind of aggressive to capitalize on this little micro dump, but you can if you want. We're waiting for a break to the upside here. This is textbook. Don't know how else to explain it. It is so obvious that it is a bull flag that this is what should be on your radar. Now, obviously, we'll take advantage of these trades on BitFi because BitFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BitFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BitFi, which is epic here. You can see stop limit orders, take profits, reduce onlys. They have trailing stop losses. The best part, which I recommend, you click welcome rewards and you click demo account. So what this does is you head on over, you sign up with the link down below. If you haven't already, or you have, then you're okay. You can get these double rewards. You get these rewards after you sign up. Head on over to the Welcome Rewards tab. You can earn over 2K by completing some of these tasks here. You'll get all this bonus money in your account. Then start practicing on the demo trading account. This is what I did. This is how I learned. Went on to the demo trading account, practiced my skills, got familiar with this platform. Limit orders, everything is identical. Once I got a few consecutive positive trades in a row, I took the risk, but I used the bonus money that we accumulated, and I used the live trading account. And all the bonus money, all the profit I earned on the bonus money, I got to withdraw completely free to Coinbase or to your exchange or to your bank, whatever you want to do. It's that simple. It's that easy. And that's why I recommend BitFi. It's a way to just keep earning money off of money that's not yours. I don't know. It's pretty cool. Now, moving forward from BitFi, though, and moving forward from XRP, because we know where we're at there, looking at something like Solana here, we have an uptrend. It's not accurate. You guys have to understand, we only have like 2 points of confirmation, and I wouldn't even go that far. It is so early, and it is way too early for us to kind of gauge what exactly is going on here. It's way too early. So, we could technically draw a downtrend, something like this. We could leave it like that. Again, it is way too early for us to know if this is accurate or not. I'll leave it like this, maybe. Depending on how you squint and hold your face, this could be a new bull flag, and we are waiting for a reversal out. So it seems like, especially with the XRP one, that maybe Solana is doing the same thing with a lot of these cryptos. But you got to keep your eyes peeled on this. There's a good chance that these are forming bull flags, and we'll be able to capitalize on these. And it goes even further. I mean, Ethereum looks good, rebounding nicely. We had this beautiful descending broadening wedge, hit support here, rallied up. More than likely, what we're anticipating is reversals back up to here, and we're just going to trade inside of here. Again, descending broadening wedge, these typically break bullish, but we'll see if that happens. But that's the ideal goal, is that we break to the upside. That's what we're waiting for. Although we'll see if it happens. Bitcoin, similar. Again, too early to tell. Could there be a descending fractal forming on the 4-hour? Yeah, there probably is. But again, these are kind of risky. They're really risky, actually. So keep that in mind. You are taking a big risk if you're going to play around with these. But we'll leave it like this for right now. Again, it's early. Could be a descending fractal, but who knows where this is going to lead us to. I'd really like, though, the XRP one. Maybe even Solana. I like these two a lot more than Ethereum and Bitcoin. So these are two that I would definitely keep on my radar compared to the other cryptocurrencies. But lastly, the S&P 500. Now, we're either still inside this descending, broadening wedge here. Like if I move this out like this, maybe this is accurate. Like maybe we're still inside this thing. I don't know. I could leave this right now, or we're already out of it. Like if I leave it like this. It's way too early to tell what exactly is going on. I mean, I could leave it like this for right now, and that would be like, oh, this is that broadening wedge pattern that we're in. You can see like this. And until we breach here, till we get through that, we don't know. Like there's a chance right now we could just correct, and then we'll know, oh yeah, we're definitely still inside a descending fractal here. So keep your eyes peeled on this. I'm going to leave the chart like this because there's a good chance this is actually what's happening here. And we need to break out of that. If we can confirm closure outside of this, then we'll know we can buy in and long to the upside. So we'll see if it happens. Keep your eyes peeled on that. It's definitely a big possibility. But with that being said, guys, thank you for being patient. Smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.